What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're going to be looking at the brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max. Stay tuned. Alright, so I received a dummy version of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I also got the regular Pro, and then the regular 13, and then the mini also. But we're going to take a look at the Pro Max and to see if is any design difference from the previous version. And to be honest with you, from the first look, no. The only thing is that you could tell is a little camera in here. Doesn't tell if it has the notch, which it is going to have. The power is going to be there. Nice aluminum or chrome side, whatever you want to call it. One of the biggest difference that I seen was the camera lens, and they said it was going to improve with the camera lens. I don't have the spec for it right now, but on a later video I will definitely do all the spec and all the good stuff. We're just going to look at the design itself. So lightning port, hopefully on the next version we could get Type-C and everything will be Type-C. They want, I don't know, but it has the little switch. What I also noticed comparing it to my wifey's phone is that the vibration button to like turn it off, the sound on and put the just vibrating, it's a little bit further down compared to the 12 Pro Max. Volume is same thing. SIM chip tool, whatever you call it, still the same spot, but it's still pretty much the same thing. Is mainly the internal, and I think the camera sensors is going to be different, hopefully much better. You can't complain when it comes to iPhone camera, video, all that good stuff. They always on point, but it's pretty cool just to have the dummy, just to look how the next version might look like. This is not guaranteed, but it's pretty close to it. Let me know in the comment below if y'all gonna get the brand new iPhone 13, which variant y'all gonna get. Y'all gonna get the Pro Max, y'all gonna get the Pro, y'all gonna get the regular or the mini. Let me know. Next video I'm gonna be showing all the different cases from iBlazing, Subcase, and other different company they sent to me. I'm gonna definitely do a video for it. But if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'm going to also leave a link down below to my Cash App where you could donate to my channel. I would really appreciate any kind of donation that y'all will give me. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.